all the members of the Nehru Science Centre, my students and the organizers of this center. This workshop, what it was arranged, it was really a wonderful, well-organized workshop, and especially I would like to thank Mrs. Manjula Yadav Madam, Educational Officer, who has really organized. Household work and all that. But we never knew that how the soap bubble can create so many creativities. Even in 7th standard we have taught them what is the soap solution, how the molecules react. But we had, even myself also, I have also learnt it first time that I could make the creative drawing paper into a craft one, and where I can use it for making it as a greeting card or envelope or something, and it was a really well organized. I am really thankful to all the organizers. Once again, the way you have provided our students the opportunity to come over here and take the benefit of this workshop. Thank you so much.